Hello everyone, we're speaking to you from Mount Druitt in Sydney, the Lavalla200 community. Sylvia and I are going to talk a little bit about the dreams and hopes of the association moving forward. Of course, the dreams and hopes of the association are exactly the dreams and hopes of Marcelin himself. That is, to make Jesus known and loved, especially with the young people, and especially with the young people who are at risk. And Sylvia, that's who we work with a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, we work with young students at MLZ, Marist Learning Zone, trying to re-engage them into their learning. As well, at the same time, we try to teach them the 5 pillars that we know we have in the Marist family. So love of work, simplicity, presence, family spirit, which is very important for us because we are like in a global family, and we try to make them feel part of the Marist schools, as they are from different schools, so it's good for them.
Yeah, and Sylvia, we also work with the local Aboriginal community a lot, don't we?
Yeah, we go there every Tuesday. We have some homework club and we do activities. It's good as well for us to get to know the culture, because we are from, in my case, we are from other countries, so good to see and learn from them.
Yeah, so we're working on the edge a bit here in this part of Sydney. We're very happy to be living here and working here. We know that working with young people in difficulty happens in every one of our schools and every one of our ministries right across the association and the province. But the challenge is always there, of course, to go a little further. And perhaps we can invite everyone to consider that, to volunteer a little more generously, perhaps work with the people that you work with to introduce them even more deeply into the most needy of Australia's youth. And of course, the invitation is always open to come and see us, come and see how the wonderful Lavalla200 community operates, and perhaps even consider joining us, Lavalla200 community, internationally, worldwide.
Thank you to the National Assembly to give us the opportunity to talk about our community here in Mount Druitt. Hope to see you in August there, and we keep us in prayers.